The Forestry Department has launched a new 5K urban forest run with the aim of providing reforestation support for the parish of St. Elizabeth that was ravaged by Hurricane Melissa last October. The event, dubbed Run in the East, Relief the West, intends to raise funds for the Black River mangroves that were severely damaged by the Category 5 hurricane. CEO of the Forestry Department, Ainsley Henry, spoke with TVJ Sports about the cause.
Single person that comes out to this event will be planting one tree within the Silent Hill Forest Reserve, right? That means every single person will be able to say, that tree, one of those trees are mine. I did that. And that we think is a key and a pivotal thing, getting the ownership from everyone in this initiative and making sure that everybody feels a part of the solution. We all suffered through Melissa, and now we can all recover from Melissa.
Managing Director of Running Events Jamaica, Alfred Francis, explained how the initiative can benefit individuals.
We're the cause, not only from the point of view of Melissa and the restoration, but also we're the procurement of a healthy lifestyle for individuals generally in Jamaica.
Registration takes place between July 21 and August 19, subject to closing earlier if participant limit of between 2,500 and 3,000 is achieved.